we're seeing was that a lot of our clients were not showing up fully prepared for the full experience. And so I needed another set of tools to really help me design a process that would help us better prepare our clients so that by the time they showed up in the destination, they were really ready to have a full experience, as opposed to something that was just, oh, I'm just going to show up. This is one of our Moab Mindful Running Retreat trips. So you're looking at it from the registered traveler view. And I love the way YouLi has this laid out. So obviously this is just the itinerary page where we describe what is included in each day of the itinerary and what that looks like. So a little description and a picture. So there's that. But what I find most awesome about this when it comes to really helping the client show up ready for something that is more transformational is the to-do list over here. Exactly. And before we had YouLi, we were sending out like a whole series of emails.
Yeah.
And it was like, some of those emails had information for them to read. Some of those emails had tasks for them to complete. Some of those emails just had questions that we wanted them to answer. Like, it was just a really disjointed experience. And what I wanted was a place where we could put all those things together in one place and make it really clear for the client, like what they needed to do before the retreat. And as you can see, it's a mix of very practical tasks, like just, tell us about you. And so we created this custom form that was just collecting their, information about dietary needs, health and fitness and running experience, all those things that we needed to know from them.